Hello everyone, I am Bipin Bhatrai, one of the group members of Vehicle Repair Workshop Management. Today presenting my Sprint 1 retrospective of the Itech project, Itech 7415. So these are our team members, Asais, Bipin, Lakmal and Ramo. For the Sprint 1, we have allocated around 10 hours each for the contribution of the project. So Sprint 1 we started on first second week and lasted till 6 week. We started through the formation of team and then project selection. Then the major things we did in Sprint 1 was a literature review regarding the requirement of our project, of our scope analysis. We identified different user stories where a particular user wants to assess our workshop and what he actually needs from our workshop. So we identified different problems regarding our project, what the risks we can get through during the project or when launching this project into the market. So we did planning based on all of these risks, these studies, and then we created a schedule known as Gantt chart, which contains our start of the project to the end of the project and all the different things that we have allocated for the interval of time. So we also created a as model, which is our general description of how our project structure is. So there are different evidences I can provide you as a team member. As a group, we created this project and completed the Sprint 1. So for this, we started with an as-is model. This is a general description, a diagrammatic representation of our project. Three major components of this. Our project, which is customer, admin, and the employee, or you can say the mechanic as well. And there are different activities that each person is responsible for, which starts from the requesting for the service of a car to notifying the customer on the service completion. There are different, this is our Gantt chart representing different tasks that need to be accomplished during the interval of time, starting from 27th of July to 25th of October 2020. And this is the product schedule. There are different goals of our project to fulfill the need of a client, to overcome the existing problem, choosing correct methodology and tools to acquire our objective. So this all, keeping all this in mind, we have been working on our vehicle repair workshop management. So this is a pencil sketch of our use case diagram representing overall structure of what our project is, or different responsibilities of different members of the project, such as admin, customers, system, staff, or mechanic. So likewise, this is also evidence of our project that we have already submitted through our assessments, previous assessments, which is project communication plan, project product, project scope. So so there is individual component. So this represents what I have actually invested in the Sprint 1. So based on my previous knowledge, previous skills, I've invested my time in this project personally as well. So for from the past sprint, what I achieved was that I actually made a research regarding different workshops around the city in Melbourne. So that my car is one of the vehicle repair workshops which exists, and then from that I got some ideas how it would look like and how our project was matched. And well, from this sprint, teamwork was a better understanding of what would actually be. We also created a as-is model, and we studied a depth fragmentation on different project modules. So so for the part like how I actually apply my knowledge to this project is for the past 3 semesters we have been working on different research skill. We have been working on different models that can be used to create a project, like the ERD diagram, activity diagram. So these all the skills we use to create this as model. And also this project is agile based approach, so we have been starting from the scratches and then creating a big project. So from the past sprint, of course, teamwork is one of the things that have been better learned from this. Similarly, how can a project be divided into different fragments and then collecting the work and combining all of them? How can we achieve a small objective? I also learned this from the sprint one. And most of all, time management is very important in a project. So that's what I learned as well. Um, so there are a lot of things. There is always an improvement in every way that can be done better in a sprint. So the model we created for our project uh, can always be compromised. So we can even make better improvement in this model by creating different online systems, creating online bookings of different vehicles around. We can improve, certainly have improvement in that model as well. Uh, so similarly, more communication with the client, more communications with the team members can also be done, can also have better impact in our further sprint to come. Uh, so different ideas can generate along with time, so there can be improvement in the ideas as well. Well, these are all the things that we have achieved as a team member, and I have invested my personal time in this sprint. Thank you.